My dear students, I welcome you all to my educational channel. The name of my educational channel is Priyanka Dotto. In this channel, you will find video presentations on English language and literature of school level, college level, as well as of competitive examinations. Now, today's assignment is video presentation number 1 on the poem A Photograph. The name of the poetess is Shirley Toulson. Now, the topics to be covered in today's video presentation are life of the poetess, literary works of the poetess, and introduction to the poem. Now, let us move to the life of the poetess. Shirley Toulson was born in England in the year 1924. Douglas Horsfall Dixon and Marjorie Brown were her parents. She did her BA in literature from Brockenhurst College, London. In her career, she worked as a writer as well as the editor of magazines. She was married to Alan Brown John in the year 1960. They got divorced after 9 years, that is in the year 1969. She passed away in the year 2018. Now, let us move to the literary works of Shirley Toulson. Celtic Christianity appealed to Shirley Toulson a lot. That is why we find her to produce literary works named Celtic Year and Celtic Alternative. Apart from these works, the other literary works which are penned by her are Shadow in an Orchard, For a Double Time, Bones and Angels, All Right Oden, I Know You Are There, etc. Now, as we have already mentioned, she worked as the editor of journals. Now, let us know the names of the journals. So, the journals edited by Shirley Toulson are Dickens Slow 1977, Kipling Slow 1977, Milton Slow 1977, Shakespeare Slow 1977, etc. Now we shall move to the last topic of today's video presentation. The topic is Introduction to the poem A Photograph. If we look at the title of the poem, it is very clear to us that the keyword of the title is photograph. We all know that a photograph is a picture made by using a camera. So the title refers to an object. Now, the title creates in us an expectation that the poem will unveil the relationship between this object and the poetess. With this expectation, we shall move to the next video presentation, which will be on the first stanza of the poem A Photograph. Now, before I conclude, let us say that I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel, share my video presentation, comment your opinion and put forward your queries. I thank you and I want to declare that I shall see you again in my next video presentation, which will be on the first stanza of the poem A Photograph. Thank you once again.